Assalamu alaikum. If you want to watch new videos on our channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Moreover, for appreciation, like our video and share it with your friends. You can also comment below giving your suggestions. Now let's start today's video. An adjective or determiner is a word used to describe or qualify or add to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. Loud cry, weak performance, the gift was suitable. Loud, weak, suitable are adjectives qualifying the nouns cry, performance, and gift. Main kinds of adjectives: adjectives of quality or descriptive adjectives. Adjectives of quality show the quality of a person or thing and can be formed from proper nouns too. Big, small, wise, foolish, philosophical, dangerous, peaceful, and proper adjectives like the ones discussed at length below. American, French, Italian, Greek, Spanish, Russian, Norwegian, Indian, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Brazilian, Australian, Egyptian, Sudanese, Ethiopian, Jordanian, Arabian, Iranian, Afghan, Turkish, and Chechen, and many other national groups do we find all around, but the best group stands out as the one of our own nation. All the italicized words above are adjectives of quality. Pakistani, American, etc. result from the proper nouns Pakistan, American, etc., and they can rightly be termed proper adjectives. Also note, she is an excellent singer. You are, of course, able and efficient. I cannot say how fast I am at bowling. We all like Pakistani products. The Islamic world surely needs unity. Adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality show the quality of a thing or nature of quality. Little, some, much, enough, all, no, great, half, two-thirds, whole, sufficient, a little pure water. The tremendous weight of the truck. All the food. The bag full of rice. Was it half full? Enough salary, great strength, insufficient food supplies, much indecency. Note, great care is to be taken in carrying the heavy glass cases upstairs. Where did you leave your light purse, madam? Slight pressure, weighty arguments. Some love is all that is needed to win the heart of a maiden. Adjectives of number. Adjectives of number indicate number or order and are also called limiting adjectives. One, two, first, second, etc. Few, many, some, most, several, all, no, certain, each, every, either, neither, enough. They played 5 matches, the first in Lahore and the last in Rawalpindi. Some glorious efforts and a few mistakes were observable in all their efforts. Almost all the spectators appreciated the game of our team. Many terrorists arrested outside the stadium yesterday aimed to attack the people inside from several directions. Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives point out, bring to notice things or persons. This, that, these, those, such, the same, the other, yonder, over there, at some distance. Those flowers are dear to us as much as this picture is to you. Such objectives as are related to the world of art cannot be compared with nature, can they? Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are question words functioning as Adjectives like what, which, and whose. What, which, whose. What food do you like? What being general in application. Which of the foods available here is appealing to you? Which being particular in reference. 3 degrees of the adjective. An adjective has 3 degrees of comparison. The positive degree shows the simple quality of an adjective: high, great, slow, thin, beautiful, sorrowful. The comparative degree shows a higher or lower quality of an adjective: greater, slower, thinner, more beautiful, less high, high, great, less slow, less thin, less beautiful. The superlative degree shows the highest or lowest degree of the quality of an adjective: highest, greatest, slowest, thinnest, most beautiful, least high, least great, least beautiful. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, press the bell icon. Don't forget to share our video with your friends. Comment below for your suggestions. Bye bye till next video.